Dear students, today we will discuss about law of exponent and their use. So first of all, we will try to write down all the laws. When you what will you use? First, x power n into x power n. What we observe here? Base is same, power is difference and multiplied. When two numbers are multiplied and base is same, this will give you x power m plus n. Means if base is same and you multiply it, power will be added. Now, second, divide x power m divided by x power n. Base is same, power is different, and there are division. This will be x power m minus n. This also can be written as x power m upon x power n. This can be written as x power m minus n. Third is, if x power m power n, power and then power, this can be written as x power m into n. Power, then power, power will be multiplied. Fourth, when you can write x power m into y power m. What we see here? We see here base is different, power is same. Base is different, but power is same. So we can write this x into y power m. X into y power m. Right? Vice versa. If using this as a vice versa, we can use this also like this. If x y power m, this can be written as x power m into y power m. Similarly, if you have opposite of this, x power m upon y power m, this can be written as x y power m. This reverse is also true. Right? Now come on the negative signs. If you have 7 point, x power m, x, if you have x power minus m, this can be written as 1 upon x power m. पावर क्या है? नेगेटिव. नेगेटिव पावर को कैसे बना सकते हैं हम लोग? पॉजिटिव, टेकिंग ऑल दीज इन डिनोमिनेटर. Similarly, if you have 1 upon x power minus m, you can write it x power m. Right? In other words, if you have x power m, x upon y power minus m, you can write here y upon x power m. In case of negative power, if we change the denominator into numerator, numerator into numerator, if you write the fraction in its reciprocal form, अगर फ्रैक्शन का हम रेसिप्रोकल बना देंगे तो नेगेटिव पावर क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. राइट? इन अदर वर्ड, नेक्स्ट x पावर 0 is 1. Any number with power 0 gets 1. Any number with power 0 gets 1. So these are the simple law of exponent we will use in our question, and we have already done it. Root m a power n, or this can be written as a power 1 upon m. Similarly, this also can be written as root a power m and n equal to a power n upon n. Okay. Now first of all note this law of exponent and we will try some questions here. Now try some questions here. Question number 1. Find 64 power 1 upon 4. 64 power 1 upon 4. So, first of all, try to write this 64 power, I guess 64 power 1 upon 3. 64 power 1 upon 3. So first of all, try to convert this 64 into exponential form. So when you find, I try this 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 0. So this can be written as 2 power 6 power 1 upon 3. This 64 can be written in the form of 2 power 6. Right? And power 1 upon 3. It is already given that. So now using this third exponent, power and power, this will be multiplied. So you can get here 2 power 6 into 1 upon 3. 3 cancel 6 gets 2. This is 2 power 2 means 4. Now 64 power 1 upon 3 becomes 4. Right? 2 power 6 and this will be multiplied. Always write the exponent in the above side lower script. Right? Don't write like this. 2 power 6 into 1 upon 3. Don't write exponent like this, always write this exponent upper side, lower script. Now one more question. Find 125 power minus 1 by 3. Question number 2. 124 find 125 power minus 1 by 3. First of all, we can write it. Change this 125 in the exponential form or in the power form. So you will get 5 to the 10. 5, 5, 5, 1. This can be written as 5 power 3 and whole power minus 1 upon 3. 125 can be written as in this form. So using this third, we can use 5 power 3 into minus 1 upon 3. This to be cancelled out. And this becomes 5 power minus 1. Right? So this like this according to the 7. Here are 5 power minus 1 can be written as 5 power can be written as 1 upon 5 power minus 1. Sorry, 1 upon 5 power 1. This can be written as 1 upon 5. Now let us take 2 homework. Find 9 power 3 upon 2. Second, 32 power upon 5. Third, 256 power 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. Okay, now complete these 3 homework.